Here are some colors you can use to paint your wooden door that will make it look more beautiful and modern. At number 1 is red. Anything red will make your door look beautiful. The door to the bathroom of our office here is painted with red. Why? Because it creates that sharpness and beauty that you need in that particular door. Because wooden doors are kind of out of style nowadays, but you can still get the best out of them. At number 2 is navy blue. This particular color adds some sophistication to the wooden door, and because it's not too bright, it also makes the door also look beautiful and modern. At number 3 is green, because green is a color that looks natural and also looks fresh. It brings that freshness and that modern look that you deserve out of that door, especially when the surrounding is also painted with green. So painting your door with green will also make the door very beautiful. Another color you can use to paint your wooden door is rich brown. Rich brown gives your door that classic look it deserves. So let me know which other color you've seen people paint their wooden door that makes it look very beautiful and modern.